Okay, so I'm going to start with the dorsal head. Here is the snout, the nares. This is the upper and lower eyelids. This is the eyes, and this is the nictitating membrane. This is the pinna, and then we will do with the internal head. So these again are the nares and the philtrum. These are the incisors and the canines. This is the hard palate. This is the soft palate. This is the pharynx. And this is the esophagus. This is the jaw, the inside of the jaw. This will have the thyroid gland, thymus gland, the mylohyoid, the parotid glands, the internal jugular vein, the external jugular vein, the transverse jugular vein, the external maxillary vein, the trachea, and the larynx. This here has the tongue and the epiglottis. Okay. This is the brachiocephalic. These are the pectoralis minor. This is the pectoralis major. This is the triceps. This is the serratus ventralis. This is the obliquus externus. This is the rectus abdominis. This is the thorax. This is the abdomen. And this is the mammary glands. So this is the outside of the abdomen. This is the inside of the abdomen. These are the hooves. Thymus gland here. This is the liver. That is the gallbladder. And that is the bile duct. Okay, now we'll do the ribs. This here is the sternum. This is the manubrium. This is the gladiolus. This is the xiphoid process. These right here are the true ribs. This is the false ribs, and that is the intercostal cartilage. Now we will go into the lungs here. So down here we have the diaphragm. Right here is the lung. Right here is the trachea. This is the bronchi or the bronchus. This is the bronchioles. This is the alveoli. Kidneys now. So right here we have the kidney. This is the adrenal gland. This is the ureter. And this is the bladder. Move on to the stomach here. So this is the esophagus. This is where food travels down. This is the stomach. This is the pancreas. This is the spleen. This is the large intestine. This is the mesentery. This is the small intestine. This has the duodenum, jejunum, and the ileum, and the cecum. This is the spine of the pig. Right here, that's the spine. Cervical, the thoracic, the lumbar, the sacral, and the caudal vertebrae. And I'm going to be choosing the female pig, so we'll be talking about this right here. This is the ovaries, and this is the oviducts. Right here is going to be the uterus body. Right here is going to be the vagina. And this right here is the urethra. The function of the reproductive system is to reproduce. What are the gonads of the male reproductive system? What do they produce? The gonads of the male reproductive system produce sperm that will eventually fertilize with a female egg. What are the gonads of the female reproductive system? What do they produce? The gonads of the female reproductive system are the ovaries, and they produce the egg that will fall into the fallopian tubes and eventually be fertilized by sperm.